Subject Computer Science, Class 1, Lesson 3, Unit 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you all are good and safe at your homes. Happy Ramadan Kareem to you all. Today's topic is Computer Lab Rules. From page 8 of book. In today's lesson, we will read and learn about the rules of the computer lab. So let's start our today's lesson. Here are some rules to help us take care of our lab. Each rule starts with a letter from the words computer lab. COMPUTER LAB. Let's take a look. The first letter is C and the rule formed from it is come into the lab quietly. Go directly to your seat or sit on the floor as instructed. Wait for directions before touching your computer. Come into the lab with clean hands. This rule is very important and always to be remembered. O is for operate equipment carefully. Be gentle with the computer mouse and the headset. Don't chew the cords. Don't touch the screens. Never spin in your chair. M is for manage your time wisely. Ask your neighbor for help. Put your cup up for help. Stay on approved sites. P is for practice typing. Keep your hands on home row. Touch the keyboard lightly. Learn where the keys are so you don't have to look. U is for use inside voices. T is for tell an adult if you stumble upon an inappropriate site. X out immediately. Don't call your friends over to see it. E is for eat and drink outside the lab only. No gum is allowed. R is for remember to ask permission to print. Spell check and proofread. Print preview, select only what you need. Click print only once. L is for leave the desktop appearance the way it is. A is for always leave the lab properly. Exit programs, put headphones up. Push in your chair, gather materials, and throw away used scrap paper. Return lab pencils. B is for be helpful to your classmates. Help your neighbor by explaining with your words, but don't grab the mouse. Hands only on your work. If we all follow these procedures, we will be able to keep our amazing lab just that amazing. We will have the best opportunity to learn and explore today's technology. Today's homework: answer the question. Here is a question for you, students, and the question is write down 5 computer lab rules. You have to write the answer of this question in your notebook. Thank you.